Welcome to our Exaquantum training video. In this video, we will demonstrate the filtering options available in ARA reports. All reports have the ability to filter data, and each report type has a different set of filter criteria. In ARA, you can set default filter values for each report, which is applied to all users the first time they open a browser session. In this example, we can set the default view to be calendar year for this report. Default filters are only applied to the first report open from a new browser session. If you open up another report in the same browser window, those filters will be applied to all subsequent reports. ARA remembers the current filter values and uses them on any new reports that are opened during the session. This provides an enhanced user experience as the filters are applied as you navigate from one report to the next. As an example, suppose that the default filters for the top alarms report is calendar year, with a subperiod of calendar month. We can update these filters to calendar month with a subperiod of calendar day. Once we apply these filters, you can see the top alarms for June, which are also listed by calendar day. If we then navigate to the ARA KPI report without closing the browser session, then the report will display the month to date because the current filter settings, month to date, will be applied. To view the ARA KPI report with the default filter values, you must close the current browser session and bring the session to an end. Now navigate to the report from a newly opened browser session. If we open the ARA KPI report from a new session, the default value of calendar year will be displayed as this is its default setting. Certain filter values such as top N and chart N are hidden report parameters that are not shown in the ARA report filters section, but they affect how the report is displayed. For example, the top N filter parameter controls how many lines are shown in report tables, and chart N controls how many traces are plotted on a report's graph. The parameter tel N controls how many time periods are shown in the report. For example, if the default time filter were year, then a tel N of 4 would show the last 4 years of data in the report. Similarly, if the default time filter is day, then a tel N of 7 would show the last 7 days of data in the report. For most users, the hidden filter values do not need to be changed, but it is possible to adjust these if required. Single select filters, such as the period or subperiod filter, take the form of a drop-down menu and only allows one value to be selected for the filter at any time. There is also a search field, so you can type characters to only display values containing those characters. Multi-select filters, such as the select period or plant filter, allow one or many values to be selected. Values can be easily removed by clicking on the X preceding the value name and will return the value to the list of available values. Clicking on an empty space in the filter will bring up a list of available values for selection. By clicking on a value, it is added to the selected values displayed in the filter and removed from the values available for selection. Free text filters, such as the tag name search, filter the report by typing characters to only display values containing those characters. This free text filter does not accept wildcard characters, such as the percentage character. Some ARA reports have the ability to select filter values based on a specific date range, so you can quickly navigate to a particular time or date and only show data for that period. Datetime filters, such as the start time and end time filters, are set by a combination of two controls, one for the date and the other for time. Clicking on the calendar icon will display the calendar month relating to the currently selected date which is highlighted in blue. You can adjust the month by clicking the arrows at the top of the control. Selecting a date will close the calendar control and update the date text. The time control can be accessed by clicking on the clock icon. This will display two values representing the hours and minutes. These values can be changed by either using the up/down arrows or by typing the values directly. Click out of the time control to apply the updated time value. All reports implement a standard data paging mechanism to only allow a portion of the total data set to be displayed at any given time. You can use the buttons to navigate through the pages or click on a specific number. Each type of report has a period and sub-period parameters to select the time range on the report using a drop-down menu. You can select one or multiple periods to be included in the report. When selecting the period filter, the sub-period filter will be automatically updated to provide only the relevant time periods. For example, if you select calendar year, calendar quarter, calendar month, calendar week, and calendar day will be displayed as sub-periods. Calendar year will not be displayed as a sub-period option. Production shifts will be of equal hours, will start on an hour boundary, and will be the same for every day. Shift duration and start hour are configurable with the possible shift patterns being 6 of 4-hour shifts, 4 of 6-hour shifts, 3 of 8-hour shifts, or 2 of 12-hour shifts. Production days will be 24 hours starting at the configured hour for the first shift start. Calendar days will be 24 hours starting at the configured hour for day start. Weeks will have a default start day on Monday, but this can be changed to any other day if required. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and remember to visit our channel for more videos. For more information, contact us or visit our website.